Hi, so I got this Gadget gift and it's called the Useless Box, and I'm going to show you the quality of it, but let me just show you what it actually does right now. So I'm just going to push the on button, and of course right away something pushes it off. So that's the little Gadget gift, and this is kind of one of those things that is probably great for guys, just because they like little quirky stuff like this. So let me just go ahead and do it again, a close-up. So if you could see that, it quickly just shuts it off as quickly as you can turn it on. And it happens very quickly. Actually, when I bought this, I thought it was gonna close within like 2 seconds, but not a split second like that. So let me go ahead around the box and show you the quality. And I'll have this link for you to buy in the description area. I bought this off of Amazon. So you could see that that is the clasp on the side where the battery box is. There's hinges in the back, and it's made of wood, and I like the wood one. And you could see the inscription here has the sort of like electrical sort of pattern there with the thunderbolts. And if I open it up and show you, that's the inside, and that's the hinge on this side, just going through the bottom. So let me just open it up and show you the battery compartment. So you could take a look at the battery compartment here, and also the mechanism. So the battery compartment, it takes 2 AA batteries, and I have brand new batteries in there. The batteries are not included, and you can see that's sort of the little trigger or finger that actually moves it. So let me just show you this on the side when it's actually, that's actually what it does, from the inside. And actually from the underside. You want to take a look at that. And also from this side, from this angle. So that's the mechanism for basically this useless box. And once again, it sort of makes a pretty good to great gift if you can't figure out how to, what to get somebody, and you just want to get them a gag gift. So this thing, by the way, it cost 20 bucks. But it is pretty high quality, which is what I sort of wanted to show, was also the quality of it. I mean, it's relatively high quality for a, I guess, for sort of like a gadget gift. But once again, just zooming in, giving you various angles. And there you go. That is the useless box. And I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.